If your iPhone is losing a significant amount of battery while you are sleeping, there are a few settings and checks that can help identify what's causing it. In this video, we will walk you through some of the most effective ways to stop your iPhone battery from draining overnight. If you go to bed with your iPhone at 80 or 90% but wake up to find that you have lost 15, 20 or even 30% overnight, that's obviously frustrating. A small amount of battery loss is normal, but if your iPhone is consistently losing a lot of battery while you are not even using it, something may be running in the background or your phone may be struggling to maintain a connection. Here are a few things I would check. The first thing you should do is find out what's actually consuming your battery. Open the Settings app, go to Battery, and look at the Activity and Battery Usage sections. Pay particular attention to apps that are running in the background while you are asleep. If you notice that one particular app is responsible for a large portion of the battery usage, try updating it first. If that doesn't help, you can temporarily uninstall the app and see whether the overnight drain improves. Next, check the condition of your iPhone's battery. To do this, open the Settings app and tap on Battery. Here, tap on Battery Health or Battery Health and Charging, depending on your iOS version. Here, look at maximum capacity. If the battery has significantly degraded, it simply won't hold as much charge as it did when it was new. So if your iPhone is several years old and battery health is considerably degraded, replacing the battery may make a much bigger difference than changing settings. If you don't need your iPhone performing at full capacity while you are sleeping, you can turn on low power mode before going to bed. To do this, open the Settings app and tap on Battery. Here, tap on Power mode and turn on low power mode. This reduces or disables certain background activities and can help reduce battery consumption. You can also quickly enable it from Control Center if you have added the control there. Here's one that people often overlook. If your iPhone has a weak cellular signal at night, it may use more power trying to maintain a connection. This can be particularly noticeable if you sleep in an area where cellular reception is poor. If you have a reliable Wi-Fi and don't need cellular connectivity at night, you can try enabling airplane mode before going to sleep. Compare the battery percentage in the morning. If your overnight drain drops dramatically, poor cellular reception may have been part of the problem. You should also check background app activity. For this, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Background App Refresh. Here you will see which apps are allowed to refresh their content in the background. You don't necessarily need to turn this feature off completely, but you can disable it for apps that don't need to update when you are not using them. This can reduce unnecessary background activity. Location services can also contribute to battery usage. Go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Look through the list of apps and see which ones have access to your location. For apps that don't really need your location, change their permission to never or ask next time or when I share, depending on your preference. For apps that do need location, consider whether while using the app is enough instead of allowing constant access. This sounds simple, but it's worth trying. If your iPhone has suddenly started draining overnight when it normally doesn't, restart it. Temporary software glitches or processes that have become stuck can sometimes cause unusual battery consumption. After restarting, monitor the battery overnight and see if anything changes. Finally, check whether your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS available for your device. You can do this by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Apple regularly releases updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements, and occasionally a battery drain problem can be related to software. However, keep in mind that battery life can sometimes be temporarily worse immediately after an iOS update. This is because the iPhone may be performing background tasks such as indexing and processing your photos and files. So those are some of the things I would check if your iPhone is losing too much battery overnight. Start by checking the battery section in the Settings app to find what's actually consuming your power. Then look at your battery health, background activity, location access, and cellular signal. And if you recently updated iOS, give your iPhone a little time before assuming something is wrong. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips, tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.